Good afternoon, everybody. This is Keith with Sunglow Laser. Today we're going to do another helicopter. I did one a couple of days ago, so let's go ahead and do another one. I found this one online, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these parts out at 220 millimeters a minute, 100% power, and it should take 2 passes. It says it's going to take about 38 minutes to go ahead and cut out all the parts. So let's get this set up and get on the laser.
Okay, let's go ahead and get this framed up. See what we got here. So it said it was going to run 37 minutes. It actually ran, well, it was 12 minutes over that. So figure that out for me. So whatever, not too bad. Right here. I think they'll be okay, but you know, just like, come on. Are you kidding me?